Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we learned how to filter data using the where clause in SQL, right? In this video, we will go one step ahead and explore multiple conditions using and or. Okay, these help you write more powerful queries. Okay, and get exactly data you want. And let's get started. Okay, we will continue with our same customer table, which is customer ID, first name, last name, age, and country. And we will use these columns to explore different filters. Got it? Now, the AND operators. The AND operators is used when you want both conditions to be true. Okay, for example, we want the customers from the UK who are above 23 years old. Customers from the UK who are above 23 years old means only our answer that we will get is this row. Customer ID 425, right? Yes. So for that, how we can write the queries? Select first name, comma, country, comma, age from customers table where what we can write here? Country is equal to UK and age is greater than 23. Correct? Let me run the query. Yes. Only one record is there, correct? This will show only the customers who are from UK and their age is greater than 23. Okay. If any one of the condition is false here, then the row won't appear. Got it? Next, the OR operator. The OR operator shows rows if at least one condition is true. For example, show customers from UK or USA. Okay. How we can write? Select first name, can include last name from the customers table where country is equal to USA or country is equal to UK. Then copy this one, paste it here, and change the country name to UK. Now, we'll run this one now. Okay. What result we got here? This means if the country is UK or USA, include it in the result. Okay. Tips that I can give here is use or when you want a broader result set. Got it? Next, you can combine and or together, but always use parentheses to control the logic. Okay, for example, we want customers from UK or USA, but their age must be above 23. So in this case, how we can write the query? Okay, let's see. We can take first name, country, and age. Okay. These fields we will take from the customers table where or we can write the condition here where you country is equal to USA or country is equal to UK. What we can do here, we can use the parenthesis for this one. Okay, and I will use and age is greater than 23. I'll run this query for some issue. Okay. Okay, whose age is greater than 23 here? This one. Two rows are executed here. Got it? So here, parenthesis tell SQL to first check the country and then apply the age filter. Okay? If you skip parenthesis, you might get unexpected results. Got it? And yeah, same thing. Uh, okay. I hope you got this one. And yeah, so let's quickly recap what we learned today and and what it will do. So all condition must be true. Okay? Or means what? Any conditions can be true. Okay? All this make the where clause super powerful. Got it? Yeah. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to learn more SQL topics. Thanks for watching and happy learning.